Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another kata and algorithm edition on Binary Life. If you're new to the channel, Binary Life is a channel that teaches you how to code and by solving multiple algorithms so that you can see the walkthrough and the thinking process on how the solution comes to life. Right now, we'll be solving a 7Q kata grammar learning to text. It's like an SMS kind of scenario where we are going to replace, this is the exercise, we're going to replace these three words 2, 2 and 2 with the letter 2. We can look at the output here. I love to text. I'll replace the TO with the 2. Same thing for tomorrow, like this. So there is just one JavaScript function you need to know is the replace keyword. We're going to use that. And if we look at, let me go to the Node console. This is an example I typed to test. Now this is a string here. This is me to you, me. Don't mind the logic. Now I want to replace ME with 444 in the sentence. Now if I say I, it's going to ignore the character cases. So anytime we see the MI, we replace with 444. You can see this first MI has been replaced below. Now if I use the G, it means group replacement, because the first one just replaces the first occurrence here. If I use the G, it means replace every ME, and you see it can replace to the second one. 444 appears 2 times. That is what we're going to use. So if we take the initial string and we replace 2, I'm starting with 2 with double O, because if I start with 1 O, I might have a conflict there. I see, you get what I mean. I'm going to replace that with 2, and the resulting string from that I'm going to replace any remaining TO with GI with 2, and then I'm going to replace two with the W, group replacement with 2, and then I'll return the whole thing. Let's test. That's it. It's that simple, guys. And let's submit. Let's just see if there are shorter other solutions by other developers. Now this is a short and most clever form, and a very clever way of doing that. Now I did 3 replace functions, which was like, and you could use this, which means if you see a 2 or you see this 2 here, TO, and this O with the question mark means the last O is optional. So if I see either one of the O's or 2 of the O's, still using my group statements, let's replace it. Sorry about this. Let's replace it with 2. This is a way to compact a regular expression. I don't think there's another shorter way than that. And guys, thank you for viewing. Now this is another easier way to read it. So either this or this or this. This bar means the or, this vertical bar here. Alright guys, thanks for watching and see you in another kata.